Meaning of Hungarian.
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 Hungarian. The term Hungarian is used to describe people, things, or places that are related to Hungary, a landlocked country located in Central Europe. The name Hungarian comes from the tribe of the Magyars, who migrated to the region in the late 9th century and established a kingdom that lasted for centuries. Today, Hungarian culture is known for its rich history, cuisine and traditional music, as well as its famous thermal baths and stunning landmarks such as the Danube River and Buda Castle. Overall, the term Hungarian represents a fascinating and unique blend of European heritage and modernity.